si Clet, I have sad tears for her because she said something really sweet. Pagkatapos nilang umiiyak, tumingin siya sa akin. Sabi niya, Kuya Billy, hindi po ito sadness yung iyak ko. Tears of joy po to para kay Rexilin kasi part pa rin siya ng team ko. So it really hit me. Kaya napalwa ako. Nothing went wrong. Nothing went wrong. Wala naman nagkamali. Nothing went wrong. It's just I had to make a decision and I had to choose 1 out of 3. It's just the hardest thing to do. Yung pinakamahirap lang talaga. Kailangan mag-choose ng isa. Kung bibigyan naman ako ng pagkakataon, wala akong ilalet ko doon. Bibigyan ko pa sila ng pagkakataon sa next round. They all did great. Yung medyo na hindi ko napili si Clip. Sa sobrang cute niya kasi at sa sobrang yung presence niya on stage, kaya pang hasain pa. Pero I had to go with, for me, yung sure ako.